Remember, folks, it's not the fall that kills you, it's the sudden stop at the end. Hey, what's up, Flocking Model Railroaders? Thank you for subscribing and welcome all my new subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. So today, I am going to do a quick unboxing and a mail call, I guess, as well, kind of combined, since I don't know the difference between the two. I've dived into another depth in the 3D printing for model railroading adventure. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is the Mars 3, which is a 4K printer. So there's been a couple reviews out there already of this, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing. I can show you what it looks like. Look away right now if you don't want to see someone opening a box. We've got the user's manual, some extra FEP film, the toolkit. We'll go through that a little bit later. There is the beast. So in the toolkit, power cord, power adapter, various tools. Oh, it comes with face masks right from China. Those are safe. Some gloves, some filters for filtering your water after you clean it. Another scraper, which is cool. And, oh, the Chitu Box code. You get a licensed version of Chitu Box. That's the software you use to slice the files. So the only thing I don't think it came with is resin. So I have resin on order. That should be here later this week, and then we'll get this thing fired up and see what kind of damage we can do. So I'm excited to have this, and I'm going to be making some detail items for model railroading. And the resin printer is really where you get the fine details. The filament printer will do some bigger items. It's good for, it actually does really good detail as well. But I know with this resin printer, I'll be able to print really fine details. And especially for the N scale layout that I want to do. So this will be perfect, and perfect timing. So, alright, so I'll be showing you more of this down the road. Until then, hold on to your caboose.